Hello, everybody. By the woman then. Knit in my ta Annabelle. Annabelle! Latandra. Today is her birthday. She is 1 year old. She had an operation done. They don't have a detting titten. Her didn't take she turn around and you see the bit where she off for that reason why. But she'll be okay at the little operation. She had a nice birthday. I did her plenty of doormate tattoo. And I did her twice a shoe new tattoo. She seemed to love, a bit like the one. And tomorrow, I'm taking her to the vet for her injection, which she is not gonna like. But afraid of the toddler. You need to do a vet for your tat and for your pet. I'll tell you that is for the fizzle that when you know it all, that when you all know Annabelle's birthday. She is 1 year old. And with all how she had happy birthday both this year and all the other years. Bye.